Hi all, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of forextraders.com, and we're now going to look at the US currency weakness in here, in particular focusing on the US dollar versus the Japanese yen and the US dollar versus the Australian dollar in here. The US dollar broadly weakening, particularly from the end of last week, from late July into now early August, and here we see against the US dollar versus the Japanese yen a significant setback, rolling lower from June, having signalled a more bullish shift with this mid-July rebound, but rolling lower from late July in here. And this rebound initially signaling a more bullish shift with the break above the post or the pre-Brexit high here, but the roll lower and then the plunge lower on Friday last week down through 103.89, shifting the intermediate term tone back to neutral between this 107.49 peak and this low at 99.99, the July range in here, defining the market into August. But certainly a very negative tone with the downside follow through already this week, and real threat for a challenge down to 99.99 in here going into the US employment report on Friday, and a breakdown through there will then re-energize a bigger picture, more bearish theme for deeper target initially at 99.00, the Brexit, the post-Brexit low, and then potentially below there moving forward into and through mid-August. Looking at the Australian dollar in here now, not quite so bearish a tone for the US dollar here, but nevertheless the Australian dollar very positive with US dollar negative, rebounding last week from ahead of this 74.03 level, rejecting a shift back to a more neutral range theme with the rebound from 74.17, and now this week pushing higher to approach this July high at 76.76, was real threat through into the early part of August and then into mid-month up through 76.76 for higher targets here at 77.19, 78.35. So the US dollar broadly weak, particularly here as we've looked at versus the Australian dollar, and extremely negative still versus the yen, with potential for a more bearish shift for the yen on a break of 99.99. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of forextraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.